Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to delete pages in Word. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and navigate to the page you want to delete. For blank pages at the end of your document, scroll to the end and delete any extra paragraph marks or page breaks. Just click delete on your keyboard. Another way is for pages that have texts on them. Click anywhere on the page you want to delete. This will ensure that any hidden formatting marks or elements are selected. Now press Ctrl G on your keyboard to open the Go To dialog box. Select Page. In the Go To dialog box, type \page in the Enter Page Number field and press Enter. This will select the entire page. With the page selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the selected page from your document. Finally, review your document to ensure the pages are deleted as intended. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.